So here I'm back with another video of Dvija. As in Dvija, ANC expert or an ANC trainer who conduct classes for expecting mothers and expecting couples rather. And we come across many questions. And one of the major questions that's been coming from most of my students that post-delivery, when do we start doing exercises? So today in this video, we're going to discuss about how, what and when to start exercises after delivery. So there are basically 5 types of delivery that are happening all across. So one is a natural or normal birth, second is a C-section, then there's a forceps, vacuum and an induction delivery. So all types of deliveries depends on your medical health and at the same time how have you responded to your labor pain. So but in all forms of deliveries you have to remember one very important thing, that you start your recovery or your post-delivery exercises depends on as soon as you can. So most of the times when it comes to normal, vacuum, induction or forceps delivery, you should be able to start exercises on the day of delivery. And in case of C-section, as soon as you are able to do it, you should start your exercises. Now why? Why we should start exercises? See, there are a lot of stress, there are a lot of hormonal changes, a new child has come into your life. So we have to be absolutely on our toes when it comes to child, because as a fresh mother, as a confident mother, and there's so many new things that you'll keep learning across the journey. Exercises will help you to be on your toes. That's the first thing. And second thing, exercises gives you a feeling of having a me time. And that's very important for every new mother, to have that me time. Okay, and in case of exercises, what kind of exercises you can do? See, right from the day of delivery, you can start off with doing these exercises. There are a few basic exercises that we will be learning today. You can start with the neck, so up and down. I'm not showing you too many exercises today, just probably one repetition of each. And there is no specific count that you're supposed to do after your delivery, because it completely depends on a mother, her child and your routine that you're following. Depends. If you're very comfortable, you can do every exercise at least 10 repetitions. If you're not very comfortable, do 5. And in case you had a C-section, you're just barely able to move, it's absolutely okay. You can just do 2 repetitions of each. Get those hormones, get started in your body for you to feel fresh. So it's neck up and down. Second exercise goes neck on your sides. Third is side bend. You can do shoulder rotation and reverse. You can do your wrist rotation and reverse. Finger movements. Close and up. Close and up. So this is about upper body. Then you can do something which is nothing but Kegels. Most of you must have done it in your pregnancy, in case you have joined in any exercise classes or you have been seeing video. The exercise is called as Kegels, or in yogic terms it's called as Mula Bandha. It's nothing but as if you're urinating and you're stopping it in between. So you just contract or pull up all your vaginal muscles, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Once again, as if you are urinating and you're stopping it in between, pull all your vaginal muscles up and count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. This one exercise will actually help you because there's a lot of bleeding that is happening, and in case of normal delivery you would have used those muscles, and at the same time in case of episiotomy there's a possibility of having stitches. So this particular exercise helps you to have a blood flow there, helps you to maintain the strength and flexibility of those muscles. So it helps a lot when it comes to vaginal recovery after delivery. Next exercise is basically for hip toning. You can just tight your hips, contract them, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. So you just contract your muscles, hip muscles, hold and then release. You contract, hold and then release. So that's something that we can do on the middle body when it comes to just on the day of delivery. And last but not the least, all kinds of ankle exercises. So you can just move your foot front and back, you can rotate your foot, you can reversely rotate your foot. So these are the exercises which are very comfortable, and you can start off with walking as soon as you can. So in case of any form of a delivery, the moment you'll get started with your walking, you will have entire body muscles feeling free and loose, and you'll be able to recover super duper fast. So this video just tells you about the exercises that you should start right from the day of your delivery. You can continue this exercise for at least a week till the time you have been back home. In case of C-section, you have to continue with these exercises till probably first 1 month of your settling, and then you can shift to higher workout. As of now, only this much from Dvija. Keep following Dvija channel and subscribe it if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you so much and bye bye.